Hi and welcome to this video, which I don't know if I wanted to make it very much, but I decided I will because it's part of me, and there might be people that are in the same situation, and therefore I am going to share what I do whenever I want to kind of fix that. Not that it's a flaw, a really big flaw or something, I of course accept myself, and I made peace with some of the things that I wanted to change in myself, like physical appearance wise. I made peace with them, but if there are some things that I can improve and make it better and kind of fix those things, I don't know what other word to use, improve that, then I will do that. I'm not doing this every day or every time I go out and I put my hair up. I'm not doing this all of the time, but sometimes when I have extra time or I want to do it, then I will do that. This video is about my receding hairline and the products that I use to improve the appearance for that. I don't do it all the time, as I was saying, but whenever I do it, I use those products. I have them right here. They're from L'Oreal. One is the Instant Root Concealer Spray Magic Retouch. It says here that it's also for temporary gray coverage, lasts until washed out. So it doesn't color your hair. It washes out whenever you wash your hair. And in this tube, it's up to 25 uses. And the other thing I have, it's a more practical, kind of small, a portable one that you can take along with you, or it's just easier to store or carry around. Not that I do carry it around, but if I would take it with me in a holiday, I suppose I would pick this one. It's also from L'Oreal, the Magic Retouch. Looks like a mascara. Both of them are in the same shade, brown, it says here. And to be honest, I mostly use this one on a regular basis. I find it less messy, and especially if I wear white and I'm a bit lazy to change the top for me to apply this, because usually I'm thinking, oh, I'll just apply that, I don't plan for it, or today I'll put my hair up and I'll also paint it with that thing. No, I don't think like that. I just think, you know what, I put my hair up, okay, I'm between washes, or I want to put my hair up, but I also want to kind of mask that receding hairline and make myself feel better. I don't know. Not all the time. Sometimes I just go out like this, but I also do this sometimes. So I wanted to share that with you. If you're in the same situation and you would like to have a solution for that somehow, then keep on watching. I just decided to do this video now. I'm about to go out to the supermarket, nothing exciting, but I wanted to do this, and I thought, you know what, I'll just show you how I do it and what I use. To apply this, usually I go for this, I apply this. And to apply it, I use this brush, which is normally an eyeliner brush. When these were more fashionable last year, or I think so, I bought one just to try it out before I would invest in, because there are more expensive ones out there. But this is from Revolution, and I paid, I don't remember how much I paid, but under £5 or something like that. It was very affordable, and this is supposed to be eyeliner brush. I used it to apply my eyeliner back in the day when I got it, but I didn't think it's for me. I use it in many ways. I kind of liked what it did with the smoky kind of situation with the crayon, and then I smoked it out like that. It's quite soft. I used it for my eyebrows. I thought, no, I didn't like it for an eyeliner, to apply my eyeliner with this. I just don't like it. But instead of putting it in the bin, I thought I just kept it. And now I found a purpose for it, and it's perfect for that. These are best friends now. Found this pair, found this partner. Okay, so the way I do this, just so I don't apply directly from this, because I tried that, trust me, because this has like little combs on the side here. But I don't think this is the way to apply this, really, because it puts way too much product, and then you end up with lines like that because it doesn't diffuse it properly. So that's where this comes into action, and it's best. And also I use this as well, but I don't know, I'm scared of it. You shake it first, and then you kind of apply it from a distance, but I wouldn't recommend you to use the top you're gonna go out in. Just use something you don't really care about, or a towel that it's, I mean, just to be sure, just to be safe. Once you get used to this, then maybe you have a technique, you'll develop a technique and you won't spill it or spray it on top of your clothes. But until then, when you first try it, just make sure you're wearing something that, you know, you wouldn't cry if it stains. So this has this little nozzle here, which you put it like kind of like that, and it says here to have a distance when you apply this. It says hold can approximately 10 centimeters from hair and spray roots in a light stream. Don't overspray. A small amount is enough. Allow it to dry up to 1 minute before touching your hair. So kind of like that. I would say kind of like this, it says. Sorry, it's a helicopter, they're really loud out here. But I actually put it quite close like that. I will show you maybe on this side how it is with this, because I can hold my finger like that. You see I have baby hair here, but because it's so fine, you just, you know, just see it as like this, and I don't like that, because here my hair starts from here as well. But because it's so light here, and it's not a lot of it like here in this place, it looks like my hairline actually starts way back from here, and it doesn't. And here the same, my hairline starts, well, I do have a big forehead. I don't know, it just starts not from here how it looks, you know. I actually do have some hair, see, like that. If you put it like this, you can see it, and also it starts from there. Anyway, and anyhow, I'm gonna use this on this side to show you, or maybe I should have used it, I don't know. But yeah, I don't really, I'm not a fan of this applicator, this product, as much as I like the other one. So I'm gonna show you how I normally do it. So take this, and I hope I won't drop it because I'm filming now, a bit nervous. Take it on my brush like that, you know, just took it on my brush. Put this back, just to make sure I'm not staining anything. And look, and this is how much product I have on, kind of like this. And now I'm gonna show you what I do. I start all the way kind of from back. I don't go from here, I just go all the way from the back. I go towards the front, so I make sure that this is blended as much as possible when I get in the front. And I also use my finger a bit, because this can stain your skin. Of course, it comes off when you wash your skin or your hair. It comes off. This product doesn't stay on permanently. But I still want to make sure. And because this is like this, I use it in between the strands like that. And I find that this brush is perfect for this. It has a handle. Makes sense to use it as like a hairbrush. Makes sense. I think they should have created this for this purpose, for receding hairlines, because I'm bald. And take this again, taking some more product, always putting it back, always. You don't risk, just, you know, just close it, because you don't know how this slips on from the table on the rug or whatever you have that's precious and lovely in your house. And I'm going like this, you see, just holding the brush like that. You can already see where those hairs are kind of colored. And now I'm just turning the brush and blending it. Use your common sense, you know, you just have to use your common sense, and make sure you don't stain your skin. But all of a sudden, it's very slight. I also go all around like that, because I can't help myself. But all of a sudden, it makes a difference for me. It really does. It's very subtle difference, but it does make a difference, because if I push my hair like this, which I usually do because I give a bit of volume, I always love volume around the root for my hair. And if I want to wear my hair up, which is very practical to do, isn't it? You want your hair out of the way, you still have hair when you put it up, you don't look bald like I do. So I do this like this, and you see, you already see the, I don't know, you just see that shadow here, that you have thickness from the root of your hair, like it's, you know, you I don't know, do you see it? It just looks a bit different, a bit better. and look at it like this from a side. It just really does a good job with this brush like that. I really like it. And it says to comb it through. I don't find the need to comb it because that's it. I did it with this little hairbrush. And on this other side, I would do the same thing. I always start, if you're gonna use this product, just don't start from here, because I made that mistake. I started like this, you know, and then it left lines. It left extra product here. And just like with your eyebrows, when you do your eyebrows, you know, you kind of work your way towards the part where it's, at least that's what I do. I kind of start like this and I work my way to feather it here. You know, I don't go with a lot of product here immediately. You start your way like this and you just use your common sense with this and start a bit from the back and work your way towards the front, so you make sure you blend the product and it looks flawless and natural. When you get here, you don't have like lines, you know, or extra product where you start to apply this. Now I'm going to, I mean, I could insist and maybe apply a bit more. Let's just do that actually. Just taking it, and again from the back. You see how much product I put there? Imagine if I would have put that in the front directly like that here, it would have just looked horrible. I'm just telling you from my mistakes because I did them and I learned. Now I'm just going like this. I'm using my common sense. I'm blending the product into the hair and into the... Usually I don't just go like this. I always kind of do a bit like that, and it doesn't change a lot, but that subtlety there, it really does make a difference, because, you know, it just contours where the actual hair starts, which you wouldn't have seen until I colored it. So it does make a difference. It's very subtle, and if you want to see that subtle difference, you can take a photo without from the front and then with, which I hope I'll be able to do and show you here somewhere. I'll put that here. I hope I'll be able to take a screenshot of how it looked before I put this in. But you could see the subtle difference after you apply this, trust me. Now let's try with the other one. Shake it, shake it, shake it. I usually put a tissue here like this, but because here it goes like this, here it goes a bit different. But let's just put it in, kind of like, oh my god, I'm a bit nervous because oh yes, this will fall on my top, I think. Oh, you see, this is a bit more messy, so I'm going quite close actually. Oh my god. Uh-oh, what am I doing? Oh, you see, it's like I stain my skin. I look like Dalmatian now. Oh, my son is coming, sorry for the noise. So I'm trying to fix this. That's why I don't use this too much. So I wouldn't recommend this really, unless you could try it. Maybe you have a technique, but don't use a top that you're gonna go out and like I did, because I just did that and I just told you not to.
When you go to the shop, could you give me the Peppa Pig dollies?
Yes, now go away, yeah? And yeah, it actually turned out alright, not too bad, you know, because I'll do this. I said I wouldn't just leave it like this, because I'm trying to help myself and just use the hair that I have, push it to the front. So I'm a bit nervous to use this. I'm gonna put a bit more. Ooh, it's so cold. God, it's so cold coming from a gun. Look at this line. How am I gonna fix this? I shouldn't have done this. As you can see, I'm showing you exactly how this product works. That's why I'm saying, let me just really do this before it dries. Oh my god, and my skin got a bit red from rubbing so much. Basically, this is a bit risky. Make sure you wear something you're not like, you don't care about, you know, if you're gonna use this. And also start from the back, working your way towards the front with these type of products, because it does a better job in making it look seamlessly. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So usually, see, I don't know, I think I should put in the front as well. You see, once I start doing this, I cannot stop. I just want to put it all over my hairline. I don't know why. Again, working my way towards the front. And you can tilt your brush how you think it's comfortable for you and makes sense. but because I won't go in between the strands, see, I'm holding it like this, in between the hair. It's the optical illusion of seeing my hairline not as receding as it was. And definitely, I mean, if I can find in a screenshot to put here before and after, I can definitely see a difference. I hope I didn't touch with this. And I'll just go with my favorite product. I won't repurchase that one, I don't think. I think I would repurchase this. And I'll just put a bit more like that here. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. And blending. It's a bit wet, the product now, I don't want to touch it, but it's drying. The way you remove it is I take just a cotton pad and I put Garnier micellar water like I would remove my eye makeup, and I go like this in my hairline a lot, like, you know, just rubbing a bit, just removing makeup from my hair. And I do that because I don't want to stain my white pillow. I do have white sheets and normally, and that's how I remove it, you know. If you don't mind, you can just wash a bit your hairline as well when you wash your face with face wash, which I do. And yeah, you can just don't forget about it because it might stain your. That's the thing with this. If you're gonna do this, make sure you remove it at night with like makeup remover, micellar water with oil in or something. Whenever I had this on, the days I had this done to my roots, I make sure I remove it before bed, and I think it makes a massive difference. At least up here I feel better and I feel more confident, and I need to improve how I cut my hair here, how I put it up, because it looks a bit ridiculous, but it's about the hairline. And look what a difference. I just look like I have more thicker hair and more hair, and not as much as a receding hairline, you know. So this was my video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know what you think about this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like so I know you liked it, and comment below and let me know what you think. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!